In this video, we will go over the Video Tool Property panel. First, let's add a file. We can now see that the Manual Redaction option is selected as the default option. We can also select the different redaction tools such as AI detection, crop, cut or drop media, and see that the Tool Property panel changes based on the tool we select. In the Tool Properties panel, we can click on the Shape dropdown and select the redaction shape as rectangle, triangle, ellipse, or diamond. From the effects list, we can select our redaction effect from the first 4 options, or we can also choose one or more enhancement options. The enhancements are very helpful for reading license plates, identifying tattoos, and seeing suspects in poorly lit videos. And from the reasons list, a redaction reason can be selected, or a new one can be added by clicking on the plus sign next to it and clicking Add New. The standard redaction is the default option, which redacts only what is behind the redaction box. The reverse will redact everything but the selected area, and the full frame will redact everything in the frame that the box is drawn on. And from the advanced options, we can increase the thickness of the redaction borders, change the box color, and choose to show titles for each redaction box. Let's watch the video and apply some enhancement effects to make the license plate more clear. I'll first draw a redaction box and select the magnify effect and increase it. Let's also add the sharpen and grayscale effects to make it more clear. Now we can see the license plate reads L0SF A514. The redaction boxes also appear in the Tool Property panel, and we can choose to disable or delete directly from this panel instead of the Object Detection panel. Happy redacting!